Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials. Your carrier permits Wi-Fi calling and your iPhone is on the latest iOS. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network with full strength. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and know your emergency 911 address. Carriers use that for routing. Now open Settings and search Phone. You're already started. Those checks avoid mid-process failures and speed activation, so don't skip them before moving to the menu options. You'll tap Settings, then Phone, then Wi-Fi calling and flip the toggle on. If asked, enter or confirm your emergency 911 address exactly as required. Carriers need it for location services. Once enabled, your iPhone may take a moment to register with the carrier over Wi-Fi. Wait until the status shows On, or the carrier name indicates Wi-Fi calling. If you see a gray option, restart the phone and reconnect Wi-Fi. That often forces the registration handshake to complete. You'll finish by making a test call to confirm calls route over Wi-Fi and to judge voice quality. Listen for clear audio and fast connection. Also check the status bar or call details for a Wi-Fi calling indicator to verify the link. If it fails, toggle airplane mode briefly, reconnect Wi-Fi, and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, reset network settings only as a last resort. It clears saved Wi-Fi passwords, but often resolves stubborn registration and routing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.